people at Treasure Island Resort and Casino are contesting tonight. Katie, along with Peyton and Grayson. This is a simple game, you guys. All you gotta do is pick numbers. It's more about luck than being skillful, which is the only kind of game I play. Why don't you pick the first number? One. That is the first number. And it's the B. You don't have to spell it in order. What do you like? 4. B-I. But you can spell it in order. I'm not saying it, but what's it saying? 2. G. 8. Oh, you are in terrific condition. You got 3 strikes to work. What's going to be the next number? Click. Don't think, just go, give me a number. 9. Uh-oh. Okay, what's the next one? 7. Lucky number 7. Is it up there?